As a travel and food blogger, we got the chance to visit a lot of places, diba? Even we go are there or even we're not there. Because we have some friends around the world who can share things that they can be experiencing even without going there, just like this one. It's like we're inside the cockpit of a private jet going or approaching the airport of San Sebastian in Spain, diba? This is a small area or town or city in Spain, but in front of Atlantic Ocean, diba? As you can see, we are now approaching our descent, and I'll be speaking like a pilot of the plane. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain speaking, and we're now approaching the runway or airstrip of San Sebastian, Spain. Ground temperature is about 34 Celsius, and we're expecting a sunny weather today. And from this view here inside the cockpit, I can really say that I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
500.
I think about it every night and day. Spread my wings and fly away. I believe I can soar. I see me running through that open door. I believe I can fly.
300.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly. Whoa.
200.
So this is your captain singing? Singing talaga. And this is your
100.
captain, Tito Nelius, flying you here in San Sebastian, Spain. Welcome to CMG channel. You know. Yeah. Thank you, Lord, for the safe flight. And of course, thank you to our real Captain Michael of Germany to your Phenom 300 plane. You know. Hello, I'm back. And at this point, I will show you where is San Sebastian in Spain really located. And if you're following my CMG channel in YouTube, the other day, diba, I uploaded a nice cool video about Alps in Austria, diba? Kasi winter is coming and sobrang malamig. Oh, you can see the Austria here in this European map, diba? So now we went to Spain, diba? Oh, so ito na yung Spain. And when you talk about Spain, there are two major cities that always comes to my mind. Number one is Madrid, which is the capital of Spain or España. And the other one is in Barcelona. So we make this Barcelona as our starting point, going to San Sebastian, diba? So from Barcelona, you can go to San Sebastian in many ways. Number one, by car, or by bus, or even by train. Pero syempre, all my bags are packed and ready to go. Eh di syempre, mag-live on the jet plane tayo, di ba? Going to San Sebastian from Barcelona. You know? And as I mentioned during our approach in San Sebastian Airport, ground temperature is about 33 Celsius. And expect a sunny weather in San Sebastian to enjoy their famous beach, Playa de Concha, diba? Ang ganda dito, it's a tourist destination. And from Playa de Concha Beach, you can see the tower, oh. And they call this tower Monta Castle, with the Sacred Heart statue on top. And of course, don't forget to come here at Monte Igueldo. This is one of the highest place in San Sebastian, where you can see the Playa de Concha, the beach area, and of course, seeing the Monta Castle on the left, and seeing the Isla de Santa Clara in the middle of the Concha Bay. You know. But in nighttime, mapapawaw ka pa rin. Winner, di ba? At syempre, perfect to habang kumakain ka ng kanilang famous pickled anchovies, codfish, at ang kanilang tusueleta steak, diba? At syempre, say cheese, queso, idiasabal. You know. So thank you for watching and see you in our next adventure here in Europe, diba? You know.